guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So I have some housework that I haven't been able to get done through the week, and I found a good way to tackle it is to write a list of what needs to get done, set a time limit, put my phone away, stop procrastinating and just get on with it. My power hour. You'll be amazed just how much you can get done when you focus on the job in hand and don't let yourself get distracted. Nick is playing with Arabella so I can get on and get the jobs done so we have more family time together. I hope you find this video motivating, and I urge you to try this method when you need to get lots of little jobs done. If you do enjoy this video, please like it and let me know in the comments down below. And if you do like this kind of content, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you're notified when I next upload. The first thing on my list is to put some washing on. I need to do a white load, and when I'm doing a white load I always add a scoop of vanished crystals to my white washing. It gets rid of any stains and keeps the whites really fresh. I honestly absolutely love this stuff, especially with Arabella's clothes that always seem to get really stained.
Before you told me I tried to change it all, but look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same.
I did a big kitchen clean last night, so luckily I don't have much to do in here. I've already emptied the dishwasher this morning and reloaded it again, so I just need to wash up the things that don't go in the dishwasher.
I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
I'll give these sides a quick wipe over with Method antibacterial, as we did make some biscuits earlier with Arabella and the icing sugar went absolutely everywhere.
You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be
The kitchen done, which is good. So next on my list is Arabella's playroom, which isn't too bad, but it just needs a quick tidy, as she's always throwing these balls out of her ball pit. Honestly, I find them everywhere upstairs normally.
I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to, I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way.
I also have quite a few of her clothes that needs putting away, so I will do that now. I do really need to sort out her clothes again soon. It's just crazy how quickly they grow out of their clothes, isn't it?
Strangers again. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
So that's everything that needed putting in the wardrobe done. Next up I just have a few bits that I need to put away in her drawers. I've got these drawer dividers that I got from IKEA, which are so useful for putting Arabella's clothes in and keeping them separate. So I always make her pyjamas into little parcels. I basically fold them like this and then tuck them back into the waistband. It's actually a really easy way to fold them and keep them together. It also works really well for kids' clothes if you're taking them out in a bag, for example.
Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up with still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
A quick polish of the furniture and vacuum and her room is done. Well, until the next load of washing needs putting away anyway.
Why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different.
I absolutely love her room. Her room and her playroom are probably my favourite rooms in the house.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side.
Our bedroom is in desperate need of a clean. It just gets so dusty in here recently. The dust just seems to stick to the glass on the drawers. It's really annoying. I do want to make some changes to our room. For example, I don't really like the lamps next to the bed. I also want a new throw on the bed. Hopefully it will get a makeover later on in the year. So if I do end up doing that, then I will vlog it for you so you can see that too.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump.
Once I've dusted and polished in here, then I'll just give the room a quick vacuum. Just to mention, the bright orange bikini is actually meant to be hanging there. I leave it there as a bit of a focus or a goal to lose weight, and then basically wear this bikini and feel comfortable in it. It might sound a bit crazy, but I think hanging it there and looking at it each day, maybe sometimes trying it on as well, will kind of help me keep on track with my diet. So that's the bedroom done. So far I've been cleaning for just over 40 minutes and still have the living room and toilet to do. The living room isn't actually too bad, just needs a bit of a freshen up and a clean. Honestly, I am forever cleaning this coffee table as it gets so dusty and Arabella's fingers marks get all over it. I think in the future I might buy a large footstool type thing instead. This long duster is so handy for doing things like the TV, and it was only £1.50 from Aldi. The cabinets also need a quick dust, and I'll go over them with the glass cleaner as well.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. It didn't love me right.
My mum brought Arabella this doll's house for Christmas, and it's sat in here at the moment as I desperately need to sort out the playroom and make room for all her toys she got out for Christmas. Maybe a job for next weekend.
Never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew?
This sofa is also in desperate need of a real deep clean, which I will do soon, but for today I don't have time, so I'll just brush any bits off and straighten up the cushions to make it look a lot more presentable.
You have been here all along. I never saw the signs, it didn't treat me right.
My last job is to vacuum the carpet, and then I finish by spraying the carpets with 1001, which leaves the room smelling amazing.
You have been here since day one, seen my ups and downs. Never left my side once. Yeah, you stuck.
So that's my hour up, and I almost completed all of my jobs. I just have the downstairs toilet to clean, which I'll do later once Arabella is in bed. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and would definitely urge you to write down your jobs, give yourself a time limit, and just get on with it without any distractions, and it's a really effective way of cleaning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!